I didn't hear you.
Yes, Mommy.
I didn't hear you, baby. What were you singing? What song were you singing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Just like that, Mommy.
Wow, what a great song. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Hey. I'm gonna take this off. And it's ouchie. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off.
Why did you put it on?
Because it's Sharpie. It's Sharpie. I have to take it off. It's not taxes. It's order. It's not warm. It's hot.
Fiona,
Huh?
that's a beer bottle holder. Why are you wearing it on your leg?
Because it's dirty. Because it's dirty, Mommy.
Fiona,
Stinky.
you're very silly.
It's stinky.
What's stinky?
This beer.
This beer is stinky?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bud Light is stinky.
Because the light is stinky. Mommy, I can't take it off.
Okay, I'll help you.